Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Lawsuit. Lawsuit means claim or dispute brought to law court for adjudication. For example, his lawyer filed a lawsuit against Los Angeles City. His lawyer filed a lawsuit against Los Angeles City. Synonyms: legal action, suit, suit at law.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. Striking rail employees could be charged and lawsuits brought against their union. Now, repeat after me. Striking rail employees could be charged and lawsuits brought against their union. The second exemplar. Companies that ignore the law face potential exposure to class action lawsuits. Now, repeat after me. Companies that ignore the law face potential exposure to class action lawsuits. The third exemplar. The lawsuit spawned a series of motions for various forms of interlocutory relief. Now, repeat after me. The lawsuit spawned a series of motions for various forms of interlocutory relief.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
More English words begin with the letter S than with any other letter.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.